सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। कावेरी लोकपावनी संगमक्षेत्रे सुस्थिते श्रीचक्रराजसहिते श्री निमिषाम्बा नमोस्तुते। श्री निमिषाम्बा नमोस्तुते। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री निमिषाम्बा देवी गुरुभ्यो नमः। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डाय विच्चे। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डाय विच्चे। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डाय विच्चे। जय माता। शिष्यवृंद संपूर्ण शक्ति सिद्धि बुद्धि विद्या पुत्र पौत्र अभिवृद्धि सिद्धिरस्तु प्राप्तिरस्तु आरोग्य सिद्धिरस्तु कौटुंबिक आरोग्य सिद्धिरस्तु प्राप्तिरस्तु दीर्घ आयुष्मान भव। जय माता। ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ। ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಭಾನುವಾರವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಈ ಸತ್ಸಂಗ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಪರತತ್ವ ಅನ್ನೋತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ತೀಕ್ಷ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮದ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು. ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ತೀಕ್ಷ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಚುರುಕಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ತಮಸ್ಸು ಸತ್ಸಂಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಮಸ್ಸನ್ನು ತೆಗೆಯೋತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಚಾರನೇ. ವಾರಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಾವು ತಮಸ್ಸು ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಚೈತನ್ಯದ ಹುರುಪು ಹಾಗೂ ಹುಮ್ಮಸ್ಸು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We get what we call as an awareness towards our consciousness. ಚೈತನ್ಯದ ಅರಿವು. We become very minutely sharp. Otherwise, we are filled with that kind of a sluggishness. Sluggishness ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲಸ್ಯ ಅಂತಲೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸೋಂಬೇರಿತನ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಚುರುಕಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ತೀಕ್ಷ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ತೀಕ್ಷ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಹಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ತಮಸ್ಸಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಟು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ periodically, as periodically as 6 hours once. 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲನಾರು ನಾವು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸ್ಲಗ್ಗಿಶ್ನೆಸ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ extremely alert and alive. When we combine both these things, alert and alive, we get a quality called as awareness. Alert plus alive makes you very, very aware. We have to be aware of our surroundings. We have to be aware of the conditions which are surrounding us. See, what happens is, because of lack of awareness, lack of activeness, and lack of alertness, we become sluggish. So there is no question of awareness in our life. For us, awareness is Jagrata. But Jagrata is alertness. Awareness is Arivina Jagrata. Jagrata with that kind of sharpening of the intellect. ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲರ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅಲೈವ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. You call it as a problem or you call it not a problem, but you should have awareness. See what happens, even a simple thing we lack awareness. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಥ ಸೋಂಬೇರಿತನ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, there is so much of sluggishness. We can procrastinate, and also we have a tendency to postpone for a minute. See, for a minute if you postpone awareness, that kind of minimum 9 brain cells lose that awareness. According to scientists who are extremely aware and completely they are aware of their brain cells, as I told you, there are more than 10 crore, minimum 10 crore brain cells which have to be active. But unfortunately, we use only 1 million brain cells. When you get into that alertness and alive of your brain cells, that means you are pumping in more of blood inside your brain. Remember one thing, blood is the only fuel which is required for the brain. Food is required for the body, but oxygenated blood is extremely required for the brain cells to activate and be in synchronization with our own consciousness or our Chaitanya. If our consciousness have to be aware, then you have to understand, you have to keep your brain cells active. That is why if you can take a rest every 2 hours once, 15 minutes, we take a break out of normal activity, at least 2 hours once for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, then our brain cells get charged. We don't know how to charge our brain cells. So what happens? You become alert and alive so that your brain cells are extremely active. Not only your IQ increases, the internal quotient increases. That IQ is definitely equivalent to EQ, evolving quotient of your brain. The more the brain is activated with oxygenated blood, that means more cells come into your use every 1 hour once. You have to have good food, simple food, good food, and you should never go hungry. And more so, your brain should always be active with equal amount of rest for your own general well-being, so that your IQ goes on increasing, or at least to whatever level you have, your IQ should be maintained at that level. For that, there should be what we call activity of the brain. It should not be not used effectively. That is very important. That is why if you are having a habit of understanding that all the sadhana you are doing, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you should have a sadhana with a Mula Mantra or with a God which you preserve and which you prefer. The more you prefer a particular God, the more you are able to preserve that energy of God inside you. See what happens in our Sanatana Dharma, we have more than 33,000 crore forms. We some have somewhere below the parameter. Like water. If you want potable water, it should be of a pH value 7 and below 7. 5, 6 pH value is okay. 7 is okay. But below pH value of less than 7, it is called as basic. So potable water is just below 7, more than 6.5. It is potable water, which can be digestible for us. So even when you have a potable water which fits in all that iron like a tonic inside your body, so your blood should be well oxygenated. Instead of drinking impure water, you should drink more pure water, so that the basic level of water should be below 7 but more than 6.5. That is potable water. Okay, filtered water or whatever you have, that kind of a water. So that even while bathing, if you have below 7, then it is basic, so that even the soap you use on your body has got a lot of lather. The lather from the soap goes on to your body. So you are able to feel fresh. Anything above 8, it is called as acidic. So you will not get a fresh water, because once you have and use a soap, then you will feel fresh.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.